In this data analytics series, we are going to learn about the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUp. VLOOKUP searches for a value in the first column and returns data from another column. It works well, but it does comes with a few limitations. VLOOKUP can look only from left to right. In this example, we have item name, item code, and stock. In the next tab, I have the item code. For the item code, I need to extract the item name. The item code is shuffled from the previous original data. So we could see that the item code is the unique column that we need to look up the value, and we need to extract the item name. If we need to use the VLOOKUP always look from left to right, but the data here is the item code to item name is right to left. So if we try to use the VLOOKUP, I try the formula equal to VLOOKUP of, so the search key or lookup value will be this value, item code, comma, we have to use the range or the table array. So I am using this table array, comma, I have to extract the index, that is the column index. The column index will be the item name I have to extract. So I write the column index as 1 and I need the exact match. So I write false. Close the bracket, enter. You could see the values, it shows NA because the value cannot be extracted because the VLOOKUP always look from left to right. So now if I use XLOOKUP for the item name, so I use XLOOKUP equal to XLOOKUP of the search key, I will be using the item code because for this item code I will be searching the value, comma, lookup range. So the lookup range is the item code from another table. So I use the item code and lock the cell so that the table array will not shift, comma, the result range. So what is the result that we are expecting is I need the item name from the item code. So I'll be selecting the item name and lock it, close the bracket and click enter. So now you could see that the value has been extracted, and now if we drag it over, all the rows will be populated through XLOOKUP. So this is the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. When the data, the unique column is on the right, if it has to look from right to left, then the better choice would be XLOOKUP. So this is all about VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP.